This is a city that I made few months ago in 2025. There are two dealerships. One is here and one is here. This is the top car today, where a car will be put. This is the dealership. This is Lamborghini Veneno, this is Bugatti Veyron, and this is Koenigsegg 1. This is Koenigsegg Agera, this is Pagani Huayra, BC, this is Ferrari Enzo, and Koenigsegg Jesko, Koenigsegg Absolute, McLaren Senna, I don't know that, SSC Ultimate Aero, and Hennessy Venom GT. That's all.